Right from the get-go, not only is this more beautiful than the SL, it's a way more practical car too, isn't it? Look at that.
Absolutely. It's already much more than the predecessor. It's 75 liters more. But watch out if I press this button here.
Oh, look at that! Do you know what you can fit in there? Actually, you might not be able to because these are some wide tyres. I was going to suggest that you could carry some spare tyres in there. Will they fit?
I never tried it, but maybe your bicycle or you're not so sporty?
Yeah, no, well, just look at me. Of course I'm sporty.